That last day when the concrete trucks are rolling in and they're about ready to pour, I'm nervous. I want to make sure that everything is set right. I have a 0% margin of error. Every detail from day one, every pipe, every sump, every seal, every potential leak point. That's exactly why I use the Verify app. Every site that I have, they give me a checklist based on how many tanks I have, sumps, what kind of spill containment. They'll create the list for me. Then I could go ahead and go through and verify that when I'm out there. When I bring up a checkpoint on my phone, what I see is the description of what I'm looking for, the criteria of the installation, and then also an example of how that installation should look. Then I snap a photo and send it to the Verify team. They're on hand 24/7, and checkpoint by checkpoint, they confirm whether it's been done right, or spot potential problems and tell us how to fix them. During the installation, Verify is with me all the time. They're there to make sure that I'm installing it correctly, all the way till the end. More eyes, the better. Anytime you can have an extra set of eyes with you to help you with your installation, that's always a good thing. So the reason I use Verify is so when that concrete's poured, I don't have to worry about it.